In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a refund receipt in QuickBooks Accountant. A refund receipt is what you'll use when you're returning money to a customer, whether they sent an overpayment or brought back an item. It records the cash going out and ties it directly to the customer, so your books and their balance stay accurate without any extra steps. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Accountant. If you're practicing, open the sample company. Otherwise, open your client's company file so you're working with live data. Once you're in, head to the top left or the left sidebar and click the New button. From the list that appears, choose Refund Receipt. This opens a dedicated form designed for customer refunds. Now, let's complete the details. First, select the customer. Pick the exact customer who's receiving the refund, so QuickBooks can apply the transaction to the right account. Next, choose Refund From. This is the bank or credit card account the money is coming out of. Be sure it matches how you'll actually send the funds. Using the correct account keeps your bank reconciliation clean. Enter the refund date. This should be the date the refund is issued, ideally matching the date you expect it to clear the bank. Then move to Product or Service. Select the specific item you're refunding so your sales, inventory, or service records stay consistent. For quantity, type the amount being returned. If it's a single item, enter 1. If more were returned, enter that number. For rate or amount, confirm the refund value. QuickBooks will calculate the line total based on the quantity and rate, but always verify it matches what you intend to return. If you need extra context, add a memo. This is a great place to note why the refund was issued, such as returned merchandise, pricing adjustment, or clearing an overpayment, so anyone reviewing the file later understands the reason. When everything looks right, choose how you want to finalize it. Click Save and Close to record the transaction, or choose Save and Send if you want to email the refund receipt to the customer right away. Either way, QuickBooks immediately records the money going out and updates the customer's balance automatically, helping you keep accurate, up-to-date books with minimal effort. And that's it. With these steps, you can confidently create refund receipts that reflect exactly what happened and keep your accounting tidy from start to finish.